A good way to earn additional monthly income is to purchase a store. In Qual, anybody can buy a store, if they have enough money. From the Life menu, let's click on Shop, and then on the Manage Your Own Store button. If there are stores for sale in your community, you can see how much it will cost to purchase them. More importantly, you can see how much monthly profit it will make you. After you purchase this store, you will receive this monthly profit every month. Also, if other lives in your community make purchases from your store, you will also see an increase in monthly income. As a store owner, you can also put your store up for sale, so that other lives in your community can purchase your store at your for sale price. If you're a community owner, you can add new stores by clicking on the Settings button.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.